Hello everyone, my name is Moran and welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. Today's video is going to be about how to edit your right theme within the Shopify. But before we get deeper into this video, I wanted you to check the link down below in our description and you can get there 1 month for only $1 of Shopify subscription. In case you're running an e-com business, in case you have a digital or physical products, you can use Shopify to basically scale your e-com and online business. So let's dive into this video. We're gonna navigate over to online store and then we're gonna navigate over to themes. So from here you can edit your themes and add new themes in case you want to change them. So let me show you how our page currently looks like. This is our current page and we want to change the theme. So what we want to do, we want to change the theme right away. In case you already do have it prepared and edited, you can just click publish. But in case you don't have it, you can just click customize and do this customization from here. So in case you want to edit mobile version and check how mobile version looks like, you can just press this button and see how mobile version looks like. But we will start working on our desktop version. So in case you want to edit specific part of the web page, you can just click over here and you will be available to edit. Excuse me. So from here we can change this text to something else. I'm just gonna use some random text. This is just for the showcase purposes. I would definitely not leave this text as it is on my page. So in case you want to save the changes, you just click save changes here in the top right corner. And you can basically edit everything within here. So we will navigate over to our header menu. We can change the background color. I prefer this one, but I'll just show you an example how you can change the color. So let's say that you want to have already pre-built color white one. You can just click from here already pre-built colors for the headings, for the header part. And I'm gonna use this background too. So in case I want to edit my logo, I would need to do it from the theme settings because I cannot do it directly from here. So I can navigate over to theme settings and it will give me an option to upload an image in case of having this blank text. So in case I want to upload an image, I can just click here and use any image that I basically want. I don't want to have an image in this specific situation. I'll just show you an example how you can basically select the image and place it over here. The image is not well optimized for the type of menu that we have. So I'm just gonna basically remove that at the moment and change it back to how it was. In case I want to do favicon is this specific part that you see in the bar up there. So in case I want to add that favicon here, I will just come back again and I can use any favicon basically I want. As you guys see, we already do have this favicon up there. So you can just upload any other picture that you guys want to have in the favicon area. So we will start editing our image with text section. To edit this part, you can just navigate over here. In case you want this text to be large, you can just use large, medium. For this purpose, I will choose medium and I can change the text here. I'll just decrease the size. Now I think this one suits better. And what we will have to do, or we can do, we can just replace the image. So to replace the image, you can just click on the image, click edit or change. I'm gonna change it. Select from library. I can choose any video, any photo that I have. I'm gonna choose this one related to the text that we wrote here. And that's pretty much it. So in case we want to edit the button, you can just click over here. And here you can choose the destination where this button is going to be taking your users to. So in case we want to take them to a specific product, we can click products and we can click football promo highlights, because this is the name of my product that I'm currently selling in this section. And this button will navigate them over to this specific product. So let's just refresh the page to see all of the changes that we have applied. But this page is currently active, so we'll have to go back over here. And we will have to publish the page. So we're gonna press publish to see those changes live. We're gonna refresh it now. And it has been refreshed. As you can see now, this is our live page. If you want to click shop now, it should be taking us to that specific product. And it is taking us, so everything is working pretty well. Let's go and edit more within the theme section. So we're gonna navigate back to customize. In this theme, buttons are usually not rounded, so I had to use custom CSS in order to round that button. So how I can do that, and why you will have to use a bit of coding in order to fix certain things within your UI. So how to do that? We will have to go back and find that button. Okay, we can hide it from here, but we will have to edit that within the CSS file. How to do that? We will have to go back to our home page, see what type of button it is. I'm gonna use inspect element, inspect, and this is the button. So I'm just gonna copy the element. I now understood. So I'm gonna go back to our theme settings. Maybe we have an option to edit it from the theme settings. So we're gonna go here to buttons, and yes, we do. We have the availability to edit the buttons. So in case we don't want to have any corner radius on the buttons, we're just gonna use 0, and it will change the button. I think the rounded buttons suit better on this page, so I'm gonna use 15 pixels, and it will come back to 15 pixels border radius. In case you want to edit something else, like change the opacity, you can come here and basically drag it to the opacity type you want. I don't like it, to be honest, so I'm just gonna see whether this suits better. I think the opacity of 100% is the best case on this page. So another thing, we're gonna edit this featured collection. Featured collection, you can also change the size of the heading. I think the medium would suit the best. But we had to do some custom coding here. Let us remove the custom code for you to see how it looked like before. So this is how it was. The heading was moved to the left corner, which I did not want, and these images did not have any border radius on them. But I did not have a direct option to move this heading and for this heading to have a center alignment. I had to use custom CSS, and I could not basically create within the Shopify theme that these collections have a border radius of 20, let's say, for example. So what I did, I used this code, and I will explain you now how I used it, so you can do it by yourself. The title, so I will have to navigate back over to my site. I'll refresh it now again, and we are over here to a specific collection. So now this is our live version. I'm just gonna delete it so we can do it from scratch. So we will just reload the site. As you can see, now we will inspect this specific heading. And this is our code. So what I did, I copy pasted this code. So I just use the double click, copy element, and then I just prompt ChatGPT to give me the code that I need. So let us do it together. I'm just gonna copy paste the code. I'm gonna prompt it from scratch. Hello, I need to have center So this is how I'm going to prompt it. And I forgot to add the code. I'm just gonna add it now. So now it took this code, it gave me the proper code to use. So I'm gonna use this code. As you can see, the headline has moved over to center. So we fixed one thing. Now we want to fix another thing, that these specific photos have a border radius of 20, for example. We're gonna do the same process again. We're just gonna click here, inspect, card information, card content, nope, nope, okay, card inner ratio, now we are in the process of searching the part of the code that we need to use. Card wrapper, nope, that's not the one. Inner ratio, card content, let's see what it says here. When we're gonna use this code, div class card media, okay, copy the code. I need on this specific element to have a border radius of 15 pixels. Now it copied everything, so I'm gonna remove this bottom part. It's gonna generate me the code again. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste the code. But as you can see now, it applied. So the border radius of a 15 has been applied. I'm gonna press save, and that's pretty much it. So I just gave you an example how you can inspect the element and how you can implement the code within the custom CSS. Sometimes you will just you'll just have to play around to find the code and to test what code works for you to get the results and the outcomes that you want to get with that coding part. We're gonna navigate back. I'm gonna show you, for example, this chat option. So we have certain app embeds that we can choose and use on our Shopify store. What I did, I had to install this app within the Shopify store, and here are some of the apps that I already have from before, like App Promote Affiliate, and I have Inbox, online store chat. So I had to download that app within Shopify. So if I want to do that, I'll just click here, apps, and I will search for Shopify Inbox, for example. As I already do have this one, I will not install it again. So I just wanted to show you how you can search for the apps that Shopify has. So we're gonna go back to our themes. We're gonna go to customize. So in case we want to turn it off or turn it on, we will have to do it from here. We will navigate over to app embeds. So if I turn this off, this button will be removed, and nobody will be able to send us any messages live. So as you can see now, it has been removed. I will turn it on because this is another way to communicate with your customers. And what I did, I installed this Shopify app on my mobile phone. So every time somebody sends a message to our store, I basically get a notification and I can respond to them quickly, because speed is something that everybody is looking for in today's modern world and modern world of having business. So that's why I have that app installed on my phone, so I can be always in contact with my customers. In case we want to add something in our header, such as another page, we will not be able to do it from here. So we will have to do it from our menu section, and I will show you how to do it from here. So we will have to navigate over, use this link main menu. It will redirect us to the menu section, navigation within the online store. And what we'll have to do, we will add menu item. We will add test, for example. And I want to have that menu item redirecting my users to my blogs, to news. Okay. We're gonna add that. We're gonna press save. Don't forget to save it. Now this will appear here if we refresh the page. So we're gonna refresh the page. Let's see. Okay, it has been applied. Let's see why it did not change. Okay, let's see what we did wrong. Okay, shop all. Let's see again. As you can see now, it appeared here. So it took a bit of time. I want to have it the last part in my menu, so I'll just drag and drop it to nope. Test. I want to have it the last part. At the last. Bam. We're gonna refresh the page once again. As you can see now, it is the last thing in our menu. I don't like this menu being in my left hand, so I will have to change that. I'm gonna navigate back to header. Middle left. No, I want to have it middle center. So this is desktop logo position. This is about the logo. I want to have it top left. Nope. Top center, middle left. That's how it was. But I don't like the position of my menu, so I want to change that. Theme settings. In order to do so, I don't see a specific functionality to do it from here. So maybe we will have to do custom coding again, custom CSS. Maybe we will have to use it. But as I already showed you, I will not show it again. So we don't waste much time working on that at the moment. We will navigate over here to footer. Uh, I always try to have my payment options displayed here. In case you don't want to have them, you can just click this button and show payment icons, and you can disable it. So this will remove all payment icons from here. But for the authority of the site, I usually prefer to have them. We also have this part where I take my users to my social media. So I had to copy paste the URLs of my Instagram profile and my YouTube profile, and I had to copy paste them here in order to be able to display these icons. So this is how I did it. If I don't want to have these icons displayed, I can just click this button and remove these icons. If you also guys don't want to have email sign up form, you can turn that one off as well. Show email sign up, and it will be removed. I want to have email sign up because I want to do retargeting marketing later on, and I want to have my people subscribe. So if I want to change the heading, I can just do it from here. Okay. And I am satisfied with the changes I did. Let's see, maybe I want to change something else. No, I'm pretty satisfied. So in case I want to do some specific changes within the theme, you can always use theme settings. You can use everything from here to edit specific part of the theme, such as brand information. Here you can use it, but this will not be displayed anywhere. Some of the functionalities you just have to learn what they do, and if you don't know what specifically some of the functionalities do, you can easily find things online. So in case you don't know what brand information are and where it will be displayed and how it will affect your site, you can just type in ChatGPT what will brand information functionality within my theme settings on XY theme. We currently use right theme. You can just prompt it and it will give you direct response. What does that functionality do to your Shopify page? Just a quick reminder, you can use our link down in our description in case you really want to start with your Shopify page. If you're selling a physical or digital product, or you want to start an e-com brand using Shopify, you can just click the link down below and get 1 month for only $1. And I'm definitely sure it's gonna help you because I use Shopify for 3 years now, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results and how quick it is and how easy to manage everything is from here. So definitely check Shopify out. If we want to do some changes on the mobile version, we can do it from here as well. So I'm gonna click customize again, and I want to see how my mobile version looks like. I can do it from here. So I don't like that this part is not having a center alignment. So let's see what I can do about it here. Okay, heading, let's navigate to heading, image with text, this will be heading. Okay, I want this heading to be and to have center alignment. So how will I do that? I'm gonna grab the code again, but now I'll have to be clever. I'll have to minimize it. Inspect the element again. Copy element. And what I'll have to do, I'll have to prompt ChatGPT again. But I want to keep a left alignment on my PC version. Please generate me the code. So it will generate me the code. And the best thing about ChatGPT, it gives me an explanation of what this line of code actually does to my site. So as you can see, this is default style for PC, and this is media query for devices of maximum width of 768 pixel, which is typically phone size. So I'm just gonna copy paste that code and insert it back here to my theme settings, custom CSS. As you can see, now this has been moved to center. Amazing, as actually we wanted. Now we would have to repeat the process again for this specific text and for this specific button. So this is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how Shopify works in the backend and how you can edit certain themes within your Shopify site. I hope that you will not have many problems editing it. I know it can be tricky sometimes, especially in the beginnings, but if you come up to a problem that you are not able to sort out, you can comment down below and somebody from our team will try to assist you as much as we can, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in another Shopify tutorial. Bye bye.